Hi. Okay, so the way that you're going to upload your PowerPoint into the discussion for the high quality programs, um, it's going to be pretty simple. So you just come to the assignment. So here we are. This is in the discussion thread, and you can see where classmates have posted. So if I am ready to post mine, I'm just going to hit reply, just like a normal discussion. And then maybe I want to make a little note, like, oops, here. So here is my PowerPoint. Okay, and then down here, you're just going to attach a file. So hit attach, choose file. I don't really have one prepared, but let's see if I have. Here's a PowerPoint. Okay, how to succeed in an online class. That's a good one. All right, so we'll open that. There it is. And then we just post. And I'm going to take this down real quick because I don't really want that up there. And, oh, it's saving it. Okay. That's really all there is to it. So I hope, and there it is. Okay, so here's my post, here's my PowerPoint, and that's all. I hope that helps.